Yo, I literally was sitting there for like 10 minutes trying to get the video together. I got Sonic. This is my first time. It's in front of y'all too. Okay, so first of all, let me read y'all what I got. I got a double smasher cheeseburger. I got a quarter pounder. I got a foot long coney, tater tots, and onion rings. Alright, so hold on. So I just took all the stuff out the brown bag. This is the packaging. I love it. It's so cute. Alright, what's this? This look like, I don't even know what this is. This probably, yo, I done already started eating. Okay, so let's do the review. The tater tots, 10 out of 10. It says live free, eat Sonic. Period. This is big. Onion rings. Hold on. Okay. 7.5. Alright, this is the this is a quarter pounder double cheeseburger. Let's see. Let me get a bite with the pickles, the onions, the ketchup. This kind of tastes like McDonald's, not gonna lie, but I don't know. It's given. This is the foot long coney. The quarter pounder double cheeseburger thing. The burger I just ate. We're gonna get at an 8.5. Cause it's good. It's good. It's like running neck and neck with a double cheeseburger from McDonald's. I need to show y'all this. I cannot wait to get in. Oh my god. Ooh, it looks so good. Oh, got jalapenos on it. Hold on. So, what I get on it? Mustard, ketchup, onions, and jalapeno. Hold up, y'all, because I want this so bad. Hold up. Let me... hopefully it don't fall apart. Oh, and I got chili on it and stuff. I forgot. Okay, let me see. Yeah. 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 I'm about to say we be 5. Bruh. No lie. I gotta break this in half and just get messy with it, because this baby is so fucking good. Yeah. This is the starter shell. So far. 10. It's a 10. And I don't care if my face get messy, because I already knew this was like a messy meal. This right here, yeah. However it go. So I'm assuming that the double stacker cheeseburger is just the the quarter pounder double cheeseburger with just double stacked. I'm assuming so. Let's see. Since I didn't know what to expect from the double, now that I start tasting the food, see, that's some fat shit. Sauce dripping. We ain't trying to lose no sauce. But I'm a foodie. For I love food. We're gonna give it like an 8.5. Altogether, the whole meal, not gonna lie, it's a 10 for me. Not gonna lie. And I'm not saying that because I've been wanting to try this. I'm just saying it because the food is good. It tastes fresh. It's fulfilling. And I feel like I'm going to have leftovers. And I feel like I'm going to be full. After this, I'm going to take me a good-ass motherfucking shower. And I might come back to this before I brush my teeth. But I just wanted y'all to, you know, eat with me. So, nah, that one better to me. Let me see. This one got a sauce on it. I didn't really taste the sauce though. Hold on, let me bite the other side. Hold on. My back big. This one definitely better, but I mess with that one too. Go try y'all some Sonic though. I ain't gonna lie. Love you guys. See y'all later.